Kelsey here. So I thought today I would give you guys an updated room tour. Let's dive right on in. Pardon the furnace. My room is in the basement, but let's go on in. My little humble abode. So as soon as you walk in, you close the door. And right behind the door, I have a calendar. And then to the left, I have a world map, which obviously I haven't been very many places. And then we go to the left and we have my tapestry. So this is from Urban Outfitters. Oh, this is from Indigo. The girls bought it for me for Christmas. Returning back to this part, I have my tapestry, which is from Urban Outfitters. I don't know if they still sell this anymore, but it's very generic. I've seen it in like a million girls vlogs, a million girls Instagram pictures. Lots of like dorms girls get this for their wall. My room is painted white, so I had like a big giant wall and I needed it filled. So I bought the tapestry. I think it was $24 when I bought it. I don't know what it is now. And then just above it, these lights are from Walmart, but they light up just for like a little aesthetic, although I never turn them on. They have a timer on them though, which is awesome because they'll turn off if you like fall asleep, which is pretty sweet. But yeah, so I have those. And then we go to my bedspread. My other one is in the washer. I would have put it on because this one is very mismatched because I lost the other pillowcase cover that matches the duvet. I don't know where, but yeah. So I've got some big pillows in the back. I tried to match all my pillowcases, although I'm still missing that one. That one matches the bed sheets underneath, but I'm missing the other one that matches it. So I think my life is just a mess. So the big pillows are from HomeSense, I believe. So are the little ones. Actually, the big ones might be from Jisk. I think they're from Jisk. And then the little ones are from Jisk. And the big one is from HomeSense or Jisk. I forget. The comforter is from Jisk. And then I have a blanket down at the end. I clearly have a gray, white, and black theme. And that is from Indigo. And then above my bed, I have this case, which is supposed to hold like an album cover, I think. But my life is a mess. It's also on an angle. But it doesn't have that in it, obviously. So I've used it for like pictures. I need to update the pictures because as of right now, it's just like a Selena and I shrine. But I need to get the pictures from Italy printed and put them in there. I need to update this because I don't think I've touched this since the first year I went into university. And I'm now entering my third, so that's like 2 years. Carpet on my floor. I have 3 of them. So these are from Marshalls. Yes, Marshalls. So they're fuzzy or HomeSense. Marshalls or HomeSense. I think they're from HomeSense. And I have one round one. Next to my bed, I have my bedside table. So I have in that black binder is all of my university notes from semesters before. I like to hold on to them because sometimes, especially in psych, I refer back to notes from like semesters before, or we've talked about certain subjects that I need to do research in. I have my very old laptop, which I've yet to take anything off of. I got a new laptop my first year of university. I'm going into my third. If that doesn't tell you that I procrastinate, that is an example. And then I have my bedside table. So I've got my Swell water bottle, another picture of Selena and I, which matches the one in the other one. I've got some coconut clusters, which honestly are my favorite, and I brought them to Italy with me, and I didn't even end up eating them. Very disappointing, but besides that, thank you to my sister for getting me to, eat those. They're delicious. And then I have a world globe because I love to travel, even though I'm just starting to get to travel. Then I have either Selena or Faith got this for me. As true friends are always the sparkle in our lives. And then it just has a picture of us from New Year's Eve when we threw a New Year's Eve party. Funny story, the 2 in there, the balloon, I accidentally overblew it and popped it. So I tried to tape it up the best I could and then refilled it up with as much air as I could and then just taped it to the wall because I gave up. Selena got me these for either Christmas or Valentine's Day. They're Italy cookies from Winners, again, to theme the whole thing for Italy. And then I have a Paris shade lamp that I've had for literally, I think this is in the old vlog, or the old birthday video. I've had it since then. Going down to my nightside table, which is kind of all scratched up, as you can tell. I'm just lazy and I haven't gotten around to buffing it. Got my bleaching trays, and then 1,000,001 notebooks. There's some back there too, because I have this thing where I like to buy notebooks and then I don't use them. Tissues, and then this is literally just my junk drawer. Moving next to that, we have my going out purse, because the girls and I are going out tonight. So it already has my stuff in it, a pair of Calvin Klein sunglasses, my tanning lotion by JWoww is behind this. Don't go tanning, kids, it's bad for you. I just was pasty and I didn't want to burn in Italy. I have my Harry Potter book series. I have the cover for my camera, which I'm currently using. And then I have, this is from, oh, my bed set is from Lowe's. Yeah. So the bed, side table, and then it has 2 big dressers that go with it. So then this is from Jisk, because clearly I have a trend. The first one is just all feminine hygiene. The second one is all electronics. And the third one is literally another junk drawer. So above that, I have my hats up there. And then I have, I did Dance Fest for 2 years that I was in high school, because my high school didn't have a dance team until I was in grade 11 and 12. I had done a musical in grade 10 though. So this is one of my awards. So this is for, I competed in a freestyle contemporary. I have 3rd place for a dance that I had choreographed for a lyrical. I have a 2nd place for a dance that I choreographed, or that was for my solo that I did that year. I have another one, I think I have it put away in like a scrapbook, for the year before when I choreographed another lyrical piece, but it got 2nd. And then the other girl that I did dance captain with in grade 12, Kat, she has the award that we won for our makeup for that dance, and she has the ribbon that we got for that dance, and it got 2nd. And then underneath I have 1,000,001 poetry books, because I have a thing about poetry where I buy them, read them once, and then don't touch them again. So they kind of just all sit here. Whatever, it's fine. And then above it I have Learn Italian, which my best friend speaks Italian, so I really didn't need to bring that to Italy, but whatever. And then a book of New York that Faith got me because I love New York. And then below that I have a picture of me and my little sister who passed away. The little, my campus minister in high school gave me this. And then another picture of Selena and I when we were in New York drinking wine illegally because we were not 21. And then this was the bear that I had given my little sister when she was in the hospital, and she ended up passing away, so I kept it just almost as like a little memorial for her. Moving next to that to the left, I have my closet. Next to it though, I have just a thing to hang up. Literally it just has my Lululemon sweaters. There's a Nike sweater back there, my robe, and then random pieces of jewelry. Like I wear this for prom. There's hoop earrings. I need to organize this. And then this is from literally when I was like 10 and went to Discovery Cove, and I've just held on to it. So I think there's pictures of me. That's my little cousin. Oh look, there's me riding a dolphin. So I have that. Above that I have a, if it'll focus, I have a license plate that was done in Cuba, and I brought it back because I thought it was cute, even though there's no pink in my room, but they didn't have a nice white one that I liked. So that's fine. Moving along to the side, this door leads to my utility room, which leads to my bathroom. So we're not gonna see that and go through that because it's a mess. Next to that, I have this little like a quarter of a wall, and I didn't know what to do with it. So for the time being, I just got these, but they just have different places. Funny enough, I've only ever been to New York out of all of those. That's okay, we'll get there one day. Next to that, I have this picture of New York. And this one's a new addition recently, but I absolutely love New York. Everyone knows that. I've been there twice. Hopefully I'll go back for a third time. I love it there. I don't know, something with the city captivated me. I think it was because it was my first trip ever. So I have this painting from HomeSense and it is hung up. And also because I used to take pictures on this wall, and behind the wall just was always so empty. So I needed something there and I liked this picture, so there you go. Underneath it I have, this is also from Jisk. It matches the side thing that has a bunch of shit in it. Those are all textbooks. In that drawer is makeup, that one is wallets, and that one is travel stuff. So I have, these actually were in my foyer and they were sliding doors, and my Nana and Papa were going to get rid of them, but I was like, why would you do that? Take the mirrors off and let's put them on my wall. So we did that. I still have to get my huge body mirror that I used to love, that is still at my mother's house, that I haven't lived there in 4 years and I've never picked it up. So again, procrastination. I obviously have my ring light, which has a mirror on it because I used to use that as a viewfinder when my camera didn't have a viewfinder on it. But yeah, so it is just, I think it's from Amazon. I don't really know. My mom got it for me for my birthday last year. So yeah, but it is literally my favorite thing in my whole entire room. Thank you for blessing my selfies. And then we have my desk, which has 1,000,001 cords under it and a garbage thing. Yeah, so the chair is from Jisk, but I've managed to break it, so I need to buy a new one if I get around to that. Then we have my fan, which is normally on my dresser or on my desk, but because, you know, I'm not sleeping, I don't need it right now, so it's underneath my bed. This is from a random store. I don't remember what it's called. Literally a random store that I just walked in and I liked it because it had wheels and it fit perfectly under my desk, although the back of the desk has like something that sticks out like a little ledge, so it doesn't go all the way in. I didn't know that when I measured it. That's okay. So my desk is from IKEA and this is from Costco, so it lights up nice and pretty. Then I have this drawing. That's supposed to be my hoop earring, but honestly I thought it was a double chin and I was like, that's kind of an asshole move, but it's fine. So this is from, the picture is from when I went to Cuba with Selena. Behind it I have deodorant and my favorite scent, which is Oh So Sexy from Victoria's Secret, and I have the lotion and the body spray just right there. I have my hair straightener, fun stuff, my laptop, which I have a thing for marble, so that's why there's marble there. There's another mirror, because clearly I'm self-obsessed, and me. Sup yo, blogging, blog camera, little viewfinder to see myself, fun stuff. So then on top I just have these Sharpie pens are for over there, but I keep them there. I don't know why. Lipsticks and makeup brushes. I have a candle that is so old. It's from Halloween, but I've just yet to replace it. Q-tips, cotton swabs, my Starbucks cup because I was drinking iced coffee before I decided to film this. And then this one is just makeup, which also is not organized. And then here I have school stuff, so all my notebooks, cue cards, little quiz cards, my pencil case with extra pens, a lighter. Then I have more makeup stuff. I have like 3 drawers of makeup because I have a problem. This is just like, there's palettes in here, stuff that I might need to grab. The other one has like 1,000,001 different foundations. I didn't even do this, but there's my laundry basket. It is from IKEA, I think so. And then my purse, which is from Gas. And yeah. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video and let me know what you guys want to see next. Love you. Bye.